Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ashwagandha and Safe Musli. We'll start by exploring the historical significance and common applications of Ashwagandha, a powerful adaptogen. Then, we'll delve into Safe Musli, highlighting its unique properties and how it can support overall well-being. You'll learn about recommended dosages and effective ways to incorporate these herbs into your daily routine for maximum benefit. Let's get started. Ashwagandha is renowned for its adaptogenic qualities, helping your body manage stress more effectively. Many users report a noticeable reduction in anxiety and an improvement in their sleep patterns. For general well-being, a common dosage is between 300 and 600 milligrams per day, often taken in divided doses. It's available in various forms, including capsules, powders, and tinctures, making it easy to integrate into your routine. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. Safe Musli, often called white gold, is highly valued in traditional medicine for its rejuvenating effects. It's commonly used to boost energy levels and promote overall vitality. A typical daily dosage ranges from 1 to 2 grams, usually taken with milk or water. This herb is available in powder form, which can be easily mixed into smoothies or other beverages. Consistent use, combined with a balanced lifestyle, can help you experience its full range of benefits. When considering combining Ashwagandha and Safe Musli, many find that their properties complement each other, potentially offering enhanced benefits for energy and stress management. However, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the right dosage and ensure it's suitable for your individual health needs. They can provide personalized advice and help you avoid any potential interactions. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. Prioritize your health and well-being by making informed choices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.